Oh hey everyone, welcome to another roleplay series of Realms. Um, I do like this drug though, I really do, but I think it's time for this. I'm gonna switch. Oh, yep, you see it right here. My new shop truck. I am gonna, first thing first, blah. Ooh, I don't like it. Yes, I do need to do that. Okay. Okay, put the back all the way up. And all this all the way up. Don't ask why. Alright. Now, I'll tell you what. But, ooh. That will be a different build. And now I am going to put this, like, this. Boom. Okay, I'm doing, like, I do not need, ooh, orange. Yes, I'm doing the orange. I'm gonna not do the I do. Oh, boom. Okay. Now I am gonna put this. This four-wheel drive emblem right on that corner. And yep. After this is good. Yes. Normal. Now I am gonna put these tires back on. Um. Okay. I do need to. Should I? No. I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna put this down for reasons. So right there. But okay. Now I am putting it out right. What's this? Put it like there. Alright. Yeah, I gotta put this like that. Alright. Now I am gonna lift this truck up just a hair. And or back to this. With that with steering wheel in it. Okay. 31. Okay, I'm gonna put all the way to 31. And we are finished. Right here, right now. But although the problem is, I don't have power. So I'm gonna upgrade all the power. All this. And I'm gonna put that, and I'm gonna test drive it. Alright, well, this truck is pretty fast. I say so myself. Slow down. Alright. I'm going for it. Gonna gun it. Go. Alright, I'm going. I'm gone. This truck is pretty fast. Not gonna lie. I do miss my Ford though. But one project truck at a time. You never know. I see my truck, but I'm gonna see my truck. But although that's gonna happen. But hopefully. So I am gonna drive. Come on. I'm going over here. Slow down. Alright, I am going up here. Alright. Can you even imagine? Like, people only building the trucks, like, lap built, like, who ever done that? Was rude. Squatted trucks. What's a squatted truck do for? And also, I got one question. If someone says working out, why they're working in the buildings? Like all heavy weights and stuff. Every time someone says like, okay, I'm working out, why are they working in the building if they can go outside and working outside? Like, get some bruises, get some cuts, get blood, sweat, and tears. Like all the ranchers and everyone. That's what we like to call working outside. So what are we gonna do? Heck, I don't know. Slow turn in this drive up. You never know. I'm gonna build a truck. Another truck. But although if I build another truck, I have to do like another project trucks, another stuff, rock climbing, drag racing, mud bogging trucks, Princess, Road to Princess, Cement Princess, GMCs. I don't know why I need that. Honestly, I don't even care. I'm gonna build my favorite truck in this game if I can find it. So right now I am gonna go Power Rangers. Yeah. And right now I'm gonna oops. I am gonna gun it home to that mud pit. Where is that mud pit though? I am just flying. Or I am gonna. Oh yeah, I don't even know. Hey. Oh, funny. I found the mud pit. Now I'm gonna go for it. Alright. I am flying. And I'm just gonna get out right now. See how right here from now. From the old truck to that squatted truck to this is pretty good. So have fun.